Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to draw a juicy green pear. Although a simple subject, this tutorial is great to practice drawing light colored objects and how to make them look three-dimensional. So let's begin. As always, I've got a simple sketch and I'm going to pick up the extra graphite with a kneadable eraser. You want to do this because the graphite can smudge and make your drawing look muddy, so keep the sketch just light enough to be visible. Starting with a cadmium yellow lemon, I will lay down the base layer all over the pear, carefully leaving out the highlights so that the white of the paper shows through. You want to keep the pressure at this point very light because you will be adding several subsequent layers of color. For the midtones in the pear, I will be starting with May green and go over the areas which are curving away from me. Then, using the earth green yellowish, I will color the shadow areas before going in with the darker greens. Please keep referring to your reference image and keep making adjustments as you move along. Here I am using the yellow lemon again because I felt my first layer was too light. With olive green yellowish, I will begin adding the shadows to the pear, especially the bottom portions. I again use earth green yellowish because I felt that the shadows needed to be more vibrant. I will also be using a chrome oxide green to make the shadows darker and add a light layer to wherever I see a form shadow. To give a 3D effect, I need to add some depth to the light areas as well, so I use a warm grey 2 in the areas of transition between the darkest shadows and the lightest cadmium yellow lemon. Using Payne's grey, I will again go over the shadow areas as I felt I needed them to be darker. Alternating between these colors, I again make a few adjustments to the shadows and midtones. For the dotted markings on the pear, I will be using warm grey 6 for the darker areas. A very important tip to keep in mind here is to not use the same dark color for the markings throughout the pear, as that will make your drawing look flat. You want to use a lighter color for the markings in the highlight areas, and here I switch to warm grey 4 and warm grey 2. For the stem and the brown markings on the skin of the pear, I will be using burnt sienna and walnut brown. I will also use the burnt sienna to add some brownish tinge to the skin of the pear. A few tweaks and adjustments here and there and the drawing is complete. I have left all of the information about the colors I have used for this drawing in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.